Today, this client requested for lip fillers, but she did not want to use a hyaluronic acid product. So instead, I am using the client's blood plasma. Now, some people may not know that your blood plasma can also enhance your lip volume. As you see in the syringe, you see a white solid substance. I use a Bio-Incubator and warmed up the client's blood plasma, which creates it into a solid form. It creates it into a solid form just as we use a hyaluronic acid filler. However, this is more safe than a hyaluronic acid filler due to it is your blood plasma and it has no risk. So as you see in the video, I'm starting off as I would if I was using a hyaluronic acid filler, enhancing the volume around her vermilion border, which is around the upper lip. I can create lip volume enhancement with your own blood plasma. After I inject, I mold the filler into the shape of the anatomy of the client's lip as desired, just as I would do if I was using a hyaluronic acid product. I go around both sides of the upper lip to create an enhancement around the top lip border, which is called the Vermillion border. After I complete this, I will move on to the next step, which would be the body of the lip. The next step in the plasma biofiller for lip enhancement is to inject the upper body of the lip. This is the client's blood plasma I am using to enhance her lip volume. I use her blood plasma and create it into a solid form using Juventix Biofiller Incubator. I have already injected the border of the upper lip, and now I am injecting the body, and you will start to see a lip enhancement to the upper lip. I continue to mold the lip after I inject the filler. At this time, I have completed injecting the client's blood plasma biofiller into the upper lip. So now I will start off injecting into the lower lip by injecting around the border of the lower lip. I will start the volume enhancement of the lower lip by filling it with the client's own blood plasma in a solid form. At this time, I have completed the lower lip plasma volume enhancement. Since the client naturally has an enhanced lower lip, she has requested more of the plasma biofiller to be placed into her upper lip. At this time, I will assess the asymmetry of both sides of the lip and also the upper and lower lip. I will continue to mold into the shape that is desired, and I will add filler in the areas that is needed to complete the lip volume enhancement with plasma biofiller.